Hey, welcome back to this vlog. This is a new kind of vlog, I guess. Have I ever really done a vlog like this? I don't think so. This is the sibling time of birthday season where a bunch of us have birthdays together. So we are going for a girls only, although we're bringing in my brother because he likes to think he's one of the girls, you know, tea party at a local little tea house. And this is the first time either my sister or I are going to do anything since our kids were born. Now, my sister's kid is like 7 months old and mine is 3. But still, it's exciting. My sister's menfolk are watching the kids. And so the girls are going to go have a tea party. But I thought I would show you my little tea party outfit. You've seen this dress before. I did the whole vlog on great deals on dresses. But I thought it kind of went with our theme. So I thought it was a cute dress. I'm going to show you. The closest thing to heels I have worn in a long time, which is little wedge sandals. Little sparkly nail polish. But I like that. I think just kind of a nice neutral look. But I thought I'd bring you along to our tea party. It's fun. Abraham really wants to go to the tea party, so he's having a little hard time with the idea of just hanging out with the boys. But I think he's going to have a good time. Oh yeah, I love you.
I go tea party.
Did you clean up your messy room?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. None of my sisters really wear makeup, so I'm just kind of going really neutral. I put on some mascara that clumped up annoyingly. I need to buy new mascara.
I cleaned up my messy room.
You cleaned it up already?
Yes, already.
Well, I'm going to look on the stairs and see if that's true. Because we only like the truth being told in our family. But I'm excited. And I think it'll be fun because it's just a little tea thing. But it's nice to do something for my birthday. And then I'm going on a short little trip to somewhere tropical Hawaii for my birthday. Which is a fabulous treat and is lovely. I am super excited about that. I was packing today for that trip. Because I need to pack and then I need to do some work stuff before I go. Even though I'm going to work while I'm there. So it's not 100% vacation. But it is getting to work in a beautiful location, so I feel really lucky for that. But I think we've got to get going so we get there in time. I'm bringing a baby gate. You know those circular baby enclosures for babies that have learned to crawl? Parents will know what I'm talking about. I'm bringing the one I have of that to Linda, my sister, because her son has just started crawling. And I don't use it right now because Abraham is too strong. He's been able to lift up for forever. I've just been keeping it around until I have another kid. And so I thought, oh, I'll lend it to her because she's been asking about it. I'm like, oh, you don't need to buy one. I'll just lend you mine. So it'll be fun. I call it the baby prison, but it's so handy to have an enclosure for your kid when they are learning to crawl and do crazy stuff because it just lets you have a breather. You're like, you know where they are. You know they're safe. You can get a little work done. You can make some food. You can go pee without being totally worried once they start to be a little bit mobile. It's a little wild. But I like my outfit. I'm not sure if I'm going to roll up the sleeves or if I'm going to keep them long. I don't know. We shall see what I end up doing. I might put on some lip gloss because I feel like a wild lady. Oh, yeah. We aren't going quite yet because somebody has decided they're actually going to clean their mess, which is amazing. Oh, I'm also wearing my little birthday bracelet. It has my birthstones, rubies on it. Is that going to focus? Maybe it's not. I love this bracelet. It's just a little small ruby and diamond thing. I love it. It always makes me feel super fabulous when I'm wearing it, you know. Anything that makes me feel like a fabulous spy I like to wear. So I so rarely get to wear jewelry anymore because, you know, for years I've had my little monkey tugging on me. Good job cleaning, my darling.
Don't.
Oh, I'm not supposed to give him encouraging words. That would be horrible. I mean, who wants a mother that's encouraging and loving? I don't know. You're doing really good, though. I'm debating hair up, hair down. I don't know. You tell me, internet, even though I will have already decided after you've seen this. Or will I have?
Mom, help me.
I could be in a box, and you don't know the outcome until you see it. And did that cause the outcome? You don't know. Ooh. Bonus points if you can list what that is in the comments. Okay, we do have to get going though, Bubagoo. Let's finish cleaning. I helped him a little bit, and then he just sat down and got lazy while I was helping. So I've stopped helping. Less in there, and he has to do it himself because it's his mess. He threw a bunch of his flashcards. We have his language. And concept flashcards and color flashcards, and he just tossed them all. It's okay, we can clean it. Okay, let's go party. Oh, yeah. You can hear my Italian lessons in the background. He pulled a blanket up on himself, tucked his little toesies in, look at that, and tucked himself in for his nap. So sweet, oh my goodness. So, our tea party time just wound up being right at his nap time because it was just when everybody was available. And I felt bad for him. I was like, oh, what's he gonna do? Because I couldn't get him down. You can see the baby gate back there for his nap beforehand. I nursed him and tried. And I just thought that it was so sweet that he tucked himself in. He was like, oh, I'm tired. And he just passed out. Which is a rare thing. Like, you know him. You know how I talk about his sleep patterns. He does not do that frequently. You know what? I told him to put on my lip gloss. Okay. But I just had to show you that because he melted my little cold heart. It was just so sweet. Oh my goodness. All right. We're here. We're at my sister's. It is time for... Did I put the brake on? Yes, I did because it's on a hill. It is time for tea and cuddles. Babysitter time. Oh, what a sweet pie he is. You might wonder, how does Abraham handle being left for a tea party? Yep, that's him. Can you see me in the mirror? There you go. You can see me. That, He's having a hard goal, if I can say. Yeah? Do you want to come for a walk with me? Let's go. Tying little bows.
A gift for you. This ribbon that, according to my boss, must cost approximately $1,000 per inch, based upon how seriously they take it if you cut off slightly too much.
Oh, bosses. It's so wonderful. I rub off on people and say, it's awesome.
Check out better the longer I waited.
Would you like to photo real, Kelly? Perhaps we've had too much caffeine. I'm not saying, but how often do I have caffeine? And why does this camera never focus? New camera and it doesn't ever
text this to
focus.
all of us, or-
No, never.
Wait.
Okay, there.
Getting on serious.
This is what happens when you feed us too much caffeine and sugar. Oh, wait. Okay, I can take still from this. Thanks for following along. I hope you enjoy kind of coming along on Little Tea Party. I thought it was fun and silly to share because they don't let me out very much, so it's really exciting. Abraham survived so far. We've gotten no emergency text messages, so I might at the very end of this put in how he reacts when I come back in. But it was fun. It was a lot of caffeine and sugar, possibly alcohol-laced dessert. I'm not entirely sure. It tasted like something alcoholic, so we're a little cherry. Until next time, check the links in the description box. Give these little kind of day in the life, moment in the life thumbs up if you like them, and I'd love to shoot more. Until next time, wear your fabulous dress when you're out.